Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one in an ongoing series of Sau Tao products. This is their Ifu. Right there, Ifu noodle, curry lobster soup flavor. And you know what's rad about that? I looked up Ifu and I saw Yimin, and it mentioned that it's very popular with cheese in Hong Kong. Cheese. Look at that. Whoa, big. Okay. Then you got two of these. Only need one. I ain't making that much of it. But yeah, so you cook this up for how long? I don't think it's very long at all. 2 minutes? Yes. So I really like the way that they do their instructions a lot of the time. Sometimes they're a little difficult, but most of the time they're not. A lot of the time their instructions will have a clock. And it'll say like, oh, here's when you throw it in, it's 12 o'clock, right? And then it says 12:02. Oh, so it's going to take 2 minutes. A lot of things like that. Alright, whoa. So I guess they use soda water to make these noodles, and that's why they look all spongy. Big pot. Very big pot. 2 minutes. There we go. Ping, ping. Alright. You want to see? You want to see the noodles? Let's do something like, kind of like that. There you go. And we're gonna add the sachet in right now. It's not really. I didn't really see where it says when they ask you to do it, so I think it's probably at your discretion. So I digress. Curry lobster flavor. I don't want to boil it too hard. So it says to use 1,500 milliliters of water for the whole package. So I'm only making half of it. So only using 750. It's the math. But yeah. That'll be done in mere moments, so I'll swing you back around my way. Yeah, so what's new? People are all crazy right now. They're all getting together and hanging out and complaining about not being able to all get together and hang out. Hopefully they don't all get everybody sick. Okay. So there's our Ifu. Let's give this a try. Chewy. Mellow. As you can see, the broth is kind of a light color. Good. Now, when I see mention of something with cheese, I just can't help myself. I get all giddy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back on the heat for a couple seconds. Let this all get nice and melty. Oh, come on, cheese. Cheese it up. And I've got a bowl I haven't used in forever. Nice bowl. It actually came from a different company a long time ago. From Singapore. Give this a stir. Really don't want to cook this down too hard. And I'm going to add in some mung bean sprouts. A little bit of spring onion. Got some shrimp I'm throwing in. Oh yeah. All combined and happy. Looks like everything's copacetic. All right. My glasses are fogged up. Oh, careful there. Wow, that just fits. That makes me feel like this bowl was the right choice. The right choice for some Ifu. Get the shrimp kind of hanging out. I want the noodles to be seen. So it's lobster curry. Oh, I knew that was going to happen today. The battery for the speaker is going the way of needing more juice, so I'll have to plug that in. I think it'll have enough wherewithal to continue for now. I'm gonna throw in a couple. Whoa! Oops. That all over the lens? No, maybe, I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything just fine. There's some tofu puff. Kind of more floaty than I prefer, but and I've got some coriander. Yay! And go wrong with an egg. Could, but... Very hard to keep all these things buoyant. It's a lot of broth here. That'll have to work. And I do want to add in some, not that, some that. Wow, that really splashed everywhere. Some chili flake. Some chili oil. And do I have any more? Yeah, maybe a little last bits of coriander that I have here. Welcome to 2020, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully the battery does decide to keep going on our tunes. And yeah, let's let Rotato work its magic. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this is Sau Tao Ifu Lobster Curry. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.